This 2014 Crossroads Sunset Trails Super Lite ST270BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Crossroads is 30 feet 1 inch in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, Colorado detector, water heater, oven, DVD player, LP detector, refrigerator, skylight, leveling jacks, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Crossroads Sunset Trails Super Lite ST270BH is 5,366 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.